What's going on, guys? Fizzy Driver here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video on my channel. I've been really busy with stuff in my life, but I'm back at it again with another unboxing slash review video. Now, here in front of me, I have some items from a company called VION. They are formerly known as Tamai. Now, as some of you are aware that are subscribed on my channel, I have posted review videos from Tamai products before, and I find a lot of their stuff is very high quality and very durable. I'm still using a lot of their stuff, such as the glass sunshades and the front sunshades. A lot of their sunshade products I find are very nice, and I'm also using their foam mounts as well. But here I got a couple of new things. This right here is a sunshade set for your entire vehicle for your Tesla Model 3. And right here I have a little sunshade mat for the front of your vehicle, so when the sun shines through, it helps to reflect some of that light away. And the last thing we have here is a little magnetic phone mount. And this is cool because for those of you that have a little magnet on the back of your phone, it's kind of like a click and play. So you just click it and remove it. And I'm really looking forward to trying that out as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. I do want to remind you that all this stuff is sent out for free, but they did not pay me for my review. All of my thoughts are my own, and I want to be upfront with y'all. I will have a little referral link for you guys to use if you're interested. It will give you a little bit of discount when you check out. So I'm going to leave it on the screen, and let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to unbox this stuff right now. So here we go. All right, so everything has been unboxed. We're going to go ahead and look into each of these individually. The first thing we'll look at is the magnetic phone mount. So here we have the item itself, and there we have a little instruction manual. So it tells you exactly where you can install it. You can install it to the far left or the far right or in the center below the rear view mirror. You can only install it to the just to the left and just to the right of the center screen. And the next thing we have here is what's included in the package. You have a phone mount and a magnetic ring. And then on the back, it describes to you as to how to install it. So you must first find the groove, and then you must push it, and simply you want to lock it last. So that's pretty cool, pretty straightforward instructions, and I'm looking forward to installing that. Now the next thing we have here is a sunshade for your dashboard. So it's pretty cool. You just remove it out of the package, and I'm assuming you just place it down and it secures on via Velcro or something. We can go ahead and look into that after I remove the plastic wrap. And the last thing we have here is the sunshade set. So we have, I believe this is a new windshield sunshade, and here we have more reflective material for the rest of the windows in your car. So I'm looking forward to installing that. And here we have a little instruction manual for how to install the windshield sunshade. So you want to first put down the sun visor on the driver and passenger side, and then you make sure the black layer is facing the inside of your car, and then you want to use the strap to hook on the mirror and adjust the sunshade to cover the entire windshield. So pretty self-explanatory stuff right here, and no backside. I'm very looking forward to installing this stuff. So in the next part of the video, you'll see that everything will be taken out, and we're going to go into installing each of these individually. So here we go. All right, guys, so we're back in my Tesla. We're going to go ahead and install the magnetic phone mount now. And we have two pieces. We have the part that goes into the trim right here, and then we have the part that goes onto the little ball. And I need both hands to lock it, but you simply want to put this part onto that, and you want to rotate it to secure it. So I'm going to go and do it off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and install it now. Okay, so I went ahead and installed that piece to the ball area, and it was really simple to do. You want to loosen it up first, and then you slide it in, and then once it's secured, you can lock it into place. Now you can also adjust the tilt of the phone mount by forward and backward. Now it has to be in a loosened position, keep in mind, and then once you like that position, you want to lock it in. So I also removed the white cover piece. Now it is magnetic. I think this is an extra piece for your phone in case you wanted to put it on your phone. I already have a magnetic piece right there. Now this is magnetic too, so you can see it connects, right? It doesn't let go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it on my phone wallet as well. Now this is the magnetic piece right here, and you're gonna hear it click. There we go. So it's pretty strong, it seemed. It's not going to fall off. We'll see how it holds up with my phone on it. I'll take some pictures, maybe a few short videos as well, to see if it holds up really well. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install it. It's pretty simple. As you can see, you have some hair comb like pieces right here. It goes into the trim. That piece right there, you see the little holes, right? And it's kind of grooves just for that, perfectly designed. So you want to go and slide that in. Now keep in mind, it cannot be below the rear view mirror, and it has to be to the side of the center screen. So here we go. I'm going to put it in, and it should be pretty simple to do. There we go. And you want to make sure you tighten it up. So, and now it's nice and tight. This is the view from the driver's side. I put it just to the left of the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and put the wallet case on it, so just to see how it looks. There we go. So that's my wallet case, and obviously my phone will be on top of it. So, and it looks pretty cool. You know, it seems like it's pretty sturdy. We'll see how it looks when it's driving, and I'll give you some feedback. If I have any issues. But we're going to go ahead and move on into the next product, which is the dashboard mat. So here we go. So here we have it on my lap. This is the bottom side of it. It should go on to the dashboard area right there, especially designed for the Tesla Model 3. I also have it flipped over on the other side, and the other side seems like it's kind of like a suede material, really nice and soft, really high quality material. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's nice and installed. Okay, so I have it installed now. It was a pretty easy installation. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna hold or not. There is no sticky backing at all. You just pretty much put it on top of your dashboard. Now I did have to put something on top of it because when I unrolled it, obviously it's gonna be a little curled up. If I remove the bag for the sunshade, it's gonna be curled up like that. So I'm gonna put a little weight on it, see if it's gonna wind up looking better after there's some weight put on it. But it looks cool, you know. It looks like it's a fingerprint mat, however, or some kind of markings. But you know, the idea of it is essentially it's gonna hopefully reflect some of the light from the sun on the windshield back, so it's not gonna be as hot in your vehicle. So far I kind of like it. You know, it gives it a little bit of a different look. Obviously it's a darker black color. Now the neutral is like a grayish black color, but we'll see. You know, obviously I'm kind of mixed on it, but if it helps, it helps. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to install the next product now, which is the new sunshade. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And here we have the windshield sunshade. So VION does include it in a little traveling pouch, and the material seems like it is the classic reflective material to help reflect a lot of the UV, a lot of the heat away from the car. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it out of the bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So just give me 1 minute. All right, so here we have it installed. It is very good quality. I can tell by the difference from my old one. It's very nice and sturdy. It's got a little bit of weight to it, and I like the fact that it has a little Velcro so it can block out all of the UV up top. A lot of the sunshades don't have nowadays. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect the Velcro strips right now on camera. And just like that, it's connected, and it's not gonna let it go. So it blocks out pretty much all of the sun, and obviously on that side as well, you can see. Very cool. I like it a lot. Now this is part of the set that's included, and it also has the pieces for the other windows in your car. Now I'm not going to install it. Obviously I'm in the process of moving, and I don't need to use it right now, but this would be a great idea for camping. Like if you want to camp in your Tesla, you know, it's going to block out all of the sun and give you a lot of privacy in your vehicle. So I really like this product right here, and I highly recommend it. So so far, you know, really cool stuff. I love the phone mount, and I like the dashboard mat too, but I'm kind of mixed on it right now. We'll see how it goes, if it even benefits me at all, but I really like the sunshade. So that's my review for the VION products that they were shipped out to me. I'm going to leave my referral link on the screen again, and that'll give you a little discount on your purchase. And I really appreciate you all tuning in, and I will definitely see you soon. So thank you again. Bye bye.